I'm gonna tell her exactly how you had me on the phone with Tory Daddy, three-way. I'm gonna tell her exactly all that shit. And I'm gonna tell her pull that whole records on how many times she done talked to Tory Daddy. And then link it to the same day Tory done talked to his daddy. And notice when the information was getting leaked out on this internet. I'm gonna link your ass to it, all right? Or I'm gonna link your ass real good and nice and nasty to it, since you wanna fuck with me. And if they say I'm lying, I'm gonna just go ahead and I'm gonna show them when you had to call me on three because you couldn't call me on a regular phone because you know today iPhones be showing you have multiple people on the phone. I'm gonna show them. I'm gonna say check this date.
What time you coming on tomorrow? After court, and not a second before. After court and after I call daddy. And if you want to, baby, court is still tomorrow. And the tweet has been sent, bitch. The bullet points. I think that y'all should see the bullet points. And I think that, you know. So this is what I want to talk about. Oh, that's tea. Oh, let me put this on my notepad. Hold on. Okay, y'all. Do y'all remember what? Yeah, go ahead, bitch. And open up this damn file. I see I'm here fucking playing with me. Anyway. Do y'all remember last year in November? Pay attention. Listen quick. Let me whisper. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Say yes if you can hear me. Because I gotta tell you a secret. I'ma barely tell you something, okay? Okay? Do y'all remember Megan had canceled like a couple of shows? Megan was supposed to perform at like the AMAs. And then she was supposed to perform somewhere else. And she didn't. What did Megan tell y'all? She said, Hatties, I was so excited to go to the AMAs and perform with BTS, but due to an unexpected personal matter, I can no longer attend. Do y'all remember that? Y'all remember that? What if I told you that I have a good idea of what she was talking about? I can't say I know what she was talking about because I'm not her, but what I know that took place, that's a fact. It happened in November. Let me tell you a little secret, and you can keep this. Everyone involved in the case found out something very important in November. Very important and critical in November. While Megan was sitting up there playing on y'all motherfucking head tops, acting like, oh, it's something that came up. I can't do that. Once again, and this is a fact, there was something. It's the type of thing that can make or break a case. Something very substantial was found out in November of 2021. Megan knows it. Rock Nation ought to know it. Her litigation knows it. Tory's people know it. Everybody know it. Everybody's aware. And hopefully tomorrow, y'all find out what it was. And hopefully, y'all find out some more shit too. But I can't tell y'all that. Okay. Bloop. I'm ready to pull up on you. Something very critical. Ooh. Did you hear me? Bitch, I say it out loud because I don't give a damn. Something very important was found out in November. Very critical. And it ain't no damn coincidence to me that she dropped out of them shows the same motherfucking month. Because then what was it time to do? Get your game plan. It was time to reconfigure some things. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Millie, you need to say allegedly. I don't need to say allegedly any fucking thing because if anybody wants to challenge me, they would have to prove that I'm lying. They wouldn't be able to do that because I'm not. I know what I said. And I mean what the fuck I said. Sue me for what? Why do I need to say alleged? Why? I don't need to say allegedly for a bitch ass thing in this case. Because I know what I know. If you know what I mean. No, I ain't gonna block her. Or them. They be here every day. I mean, everyday hoe could get blocked, but she just saying how she feels. She looking out. She want me to be safe. But my whole point is, I'm not telling you what I think. I'm not telling you a rumor. I'm telling you facts. So I don't need to say allegedly. What time you coming on tomorrow? After court, and not a second before. After court and after I call daddy. Mm-hmm. I'm pulling something up. Give me a second. Everything is still set. Let me give you my predictions. Let me give you my predictions for tomorrow. Wait, hold on. Okay? I just want to refresh everybody on what a pretrial hearing is. A pretrial hearing is a meeting with the state's attorney and the defendant and or his or her attorney to determine the following. Are there any motions that the defendant or the defendant's attorney wants to file? A motion of discovery, any facts and information about the case, or a motion for continuance to set another trial date? Let me tell you something. And I'm going to leave it right there. It wouldn't make sense to go to trial. To me. It wouldn't make sense. So, I don't do what you want to do, but it wouldn't be logical to me. To me. It get dropped tomorrow. With what has been unearthed at this point, the only thing that would make sense to me is that the shit get dropped tomorrow, or they decide not to press forward. And I'm gonna leave it right there. It wouldn't make sense to go to trial. To me, it wouldn't make sense. So I don't do what you want to do, but it wouldn't be logical to me. So we'll see. We will see. Yeah, whatever. All I know is it would not make sense for the trial to press forward at this time. And at a pretrial hearing, you put everything on the table. Anybody with common sense would feel like, why waste the time? And why am I saying what I'm saying? I hope that tomorrow I can tell you. So, all right, people. Let me go get some notes together so we can do a real show. It depends. Every case is different. Every situation is different. If there was nothing put in place, and if I'm stuttering, if it were to be dropped, I wouldn't see why Tory wouldn't be able to talk about it at that point.
And notice when the information was getting leaked out on this internet, I'm gonna link your ass to it, all right? Or I'm gonna link your ass real good and nice and nasty to it.